Before beginning any work on your Electrolux pedestal drawer, prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like gloves and high visibility clothing. Always disconnect the appliance from its power source by unplugging it completely to prevent electrical hazards. Gather the necessary tools, including a set of precision screwdrivers for fasteners and pry tools to gently separate components. Use pick tools or a taping knife carefully to avoid damaging the appliance or scratching surfaces when removing the drawer. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws securing the drawer slides. Ensure the screwdriver tip fully engages the screw head for proper removal. If clips are present, gently release them using a small pry tool or putty knife. Show close-ups of the clip release mechanism. Use gentle pressure to avoid damage. Always avoid excessive force to prevent breaking fasteners or damaging the appliance. Once the fasteners are removed, carefully pull the drawer away from the appliance. Some drawers slide out smoothly on rails. For drawers that slide on rails, pull steadily and support the weight to prevent it from dropping. Other drawers may require lifting slightly before pulling out completely. Always support the weight throughout the process. The drawer slides, consisting of cabinet, slide, and drawer members, enable smooth and safe removal. After partially removing the drawer, inspect the opening for any obstructions that might prevent complete removal. Use a flashlight to illuminate the inside of the pedestal cavity, making it easier to spot any hidden obstructions. Look for common obstructions such as wires or hoses that may be routed behind the drawer area. Check for debris like dust bunnies or small items that may have fallen behind the drawer over time. Carefully move any obstructions out of the way to allow for complete drawer removal. With obstructions cleared, the pedestal cavity is now ready for complete drawer removal. As the drawer reaches the point of complete removal, carefully lift it straight up and away from the pedestal. Support the drawer's full weight to prevent any strain on the sliding mechanism or damage to the appliance. Once fully detached, the pedestal cavity is now empty and accessible. Notice how the space underneath is clear, allowing for maintenance or inspection. Place the removed drawer in a safe, stable location away from the work area. Ensure it's positioned securely to prevent accidental movement or damage. The workspace is now clear, with the drawer safely removed and set aside. This completes the drawer removal process for the Electrolux pedestal. When you're ready to reinstall the pedestal drawer, simply reverse the removal process. Start by reattaching the drawer to the appliance, then secure it with the fasteners. Remember to keep all fasteners in a safe place during storage to ensure they're available for reassembly. Always consult your appliance's user manual for specific instructions and safety guidelines before proceeding. Here's a quick montage of the entire removal process. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Electrolux Pedestal Drawer Removal. Subscribe for more helpful appliance maintenance tips.